Good morning, guys. Welcome to my next vlog. Last time I was doing service but couldn't finish that one because I got few visitors. So maybe next time I'll finish that one with doing my whole service, how I closed everything up, how I cleared everything up. But no worries. I have another thing to do in my car which I wanted to do from quite long. Um, so what happened here was, so in my I changed the brake pads for the car, and this was the one I changed, I think, 2 months ago, both the back ones. uh, what happened was, I didn't have at that time, I didn't have very good tools with me, so I could have easily changed this one. Like I changed this one, but that one was not very well. The screw was not very well, and then I have to call up a mechanic to do that part for me. So my mechanic did this one, and that one was done by me. But now, because I've got all my toolkits and everything, so I like to do it myself. What happened last time, okay, so was, couldn't do this one. uh, was did like done have done that one, couldn't do this one, so mechanic came and did it. And after some time there was a noise started coming from the tires, like chick, 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 chick. And I was like, why this car is making that sound? Like, there shouldn't be any sort of sound, it should be quiet, because they are like brand new brake pads. Then I called my brother, and he said, oh, it may be maybe the brake pads itself. Sometimes there's some dirt which gets into. Oh my god, have a look, so dirty. Because this car was carpenter's car, so I have cleaned most of it, but there's a lot of places where I haven't cleaned yet. So that was the one. So okay, so yeah, a tip: when you start opening the tires, sometimes it's hard. So what I have here, yeah, I have this rod. You can buy this from Bunnings if you are in Australia, and if you are from India, oh, it's easy buy. You know what I'm talking about. But in India, you get a like long 20 feet one. You don't get tiny, but, so you have to get it, like, usually everyone's have it at their home, spares when they get repairs done, uh, for their water leakage or plumbers come in. But no worries, leave it leave it. What we are talking about is, this one was making sounds, and it was like, it was getting worse, and from few days it's too much. I don't like my cars making sound, and the main part is, I can't hear the sound, other people can. So when I'm driving, it's not me hearing it, it's others can hear it. And because I drive my car with high volume music, so it's not much what I can hear. But that's the problem. Let's clean it and see. So as you have seen how easy it was with this rod, and without that rod I was struggling. Okay, this is 1400 kg load one, the tiniest one though, but it works well, doesn't make a difference. And I have this another one here which I like to use more than that one. I think this is 1860 working load.